In every relationship, there are three entities: you, the other person, and the relationship itself. Understanding and nurturing the dynamics between these entities is key to a healthy connection. Love is not just a feeling. It's a commitment to understanding and accepting the complexity of another person's mind. The way we communicate with others and with ourselves ultimately determines the quality of our relationships. Vulnerability is the cornerstone of intimacy. It's in our moments of authenticity that we truly connect with others. Healthy boundaries are the bridge between self-respect and respect for others in a relationship. The art of listening is the art of understanding. A strong relationship thrives on the ability to truly hear each other. Emotional intelligence is the compass that guides us through the intricate terrain of human relationships. Forgiveness is not just a gift to others. It's a gift to yourself, freeing your mind from the chains of resentment. Subscribe our channel for more videos.